What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys what I'm wearing to Nashville. Cody and I are going to Nashville for my birthday, which is February 7th, but we're going that weekend. We're going the 5th to the 8th, Sunday to Tuesday, whatever those dates are. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. It's cold. The last time I went to Nashville was for my bachelorette party, and it was in August, so it was warm, and I went for the whole like bachelorette Western Nashville gal. This trip is gonna be a little bit different, which is totally okay. I wanted to go for like the neutral casual look, also giving that I needed to dress a little bit more warm, but it's just gonna be Cody and I, so I still want to look cute. I'm gonna be taking pictures. So this is like a what to wear in Nashville casual neutral fashion edition. I literally just grabbed a ton of items from my closet that I know I want to wear, but I need to figure out how I'm going to wear them. I'm definitely going to be like layering a ton of stuff. I need to figure out when and how I'm going to wear them. So we're going to figure that out together. First and foremost, if you are new here, my name is Lauren. I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos. Definitely come join all the fun with my husband and I. We make vlogs together. We'd love to have y'all. So hit subscribe, leave us a comment, like the video, all that good stuff. But in the meantime, let's check out what I'm gonna wear for Nashville. First, we're gonna go with the airport outfit. I love picking out what I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. It's like the first day, you're going to the airport, you're so excited, you're like, I got a whole trip ahead of me. It's just like an exciting time. So I always like the first fit to be like one of my favorite outfits. Our flight lands in Nashville like 4:30 p.m. We're going directly to our hotel, which is downtown. Then we're gonna walk to go to Hattie B's for dinner. So I want to wear something cute, fashionable. I don't want to like have to change like right when we get there. I might wear like comfortable pants and then change later. Like when we get there, I'll just change into like jeans. I don't know. First fit. So this is what I'm planning to wear to go to the airport. This set, this hoodie and jogger set is from Blushmark, as well as this puffer vest. So I just showed these in my Blushmark try-on haul a couple weeks ago that I posted, and it's just like a comfy jogger set and then vest. When we get there on Saturday, it's gonna be in the high of like 48, so it's gonna be chilly. And then I'm wearing that smiley face trucker hat. You can't really see them, but they are my New Balance sneakers. This is currently my airport wearing to Nashville fit. I'll probably wear this too when we go maybe to Hattie B's. I'm trying to figure out what to wear based off of the suitcase situation. If I can fit everything in my small carry-on, I definitely am going to, so I can avoid checking in a bag. I like just like having my suitcase and getting it and going and not have to going and like waiting for it. If I have to pack a check-in bag, I definitely will. I'm just trying to avoid it at the moment. This is what I'm wearing. Cute shoes, love the neutrals, they match the vest. I really was just trying to find an outfit to wear with this hat because I'm obsessed and I really wanted to wear it to Nashville. So this is my first fit. Love. Outfit number 2. So on, let's see, this will be Sunday morning. We have brunch at the Hampton Social. I am wearing this NYC sweater. I don't even remember where I got this. It got sent to me like last year. And then underneath is this like black, it's cropped so you can't, it doesn't like go all the way down. Like a little turtleneck shirt. These H&M leather, they're pretty tight leather pants. And then I'm wearing my Doc Martin boots with it. So I'm kind of going for like street style, like chic, trendy street style. I don't know, I really like these pants. Are super comfortable. It's kind of less girly, but it's gonna be pretty cold that day. Definitely wanted something a little bit more on the warmer side. I have this brown puffer. Let me try this on. I thought about bringing this, but I didn't know if it would look good. Like the brown and the black, but brown and black's kind of a vibe nowadays. I don't like love it, but if it's really cold, I could bring it just to wear like for warmth. But I don't know if I like love it with this outfit specifically. it could be cute if I really like need to wear it. And I don't know if I want to bring 2 puffer vests since I'm going to be bringing that beige one. But yeah, this is my brunch fit. Super cute. Outfit number 3. So I'm wearing this chocolate brown cropped hoodie. This is from Zara like last year. These jeans are also Zara, and they're the high-waisted wide leg jeans that like are super popular. For this jacket, this is an H&M blazer, and it's got like cross-checked like mustard color, brown, and gray and white checkers. Shoes, I'm definitely either just gonna wear my New Balances or Dr. Martens again because I'm trying to save space in my suitcase. But don't quote me on that because that could change. This is gonna be like what I wear for wherever we go to dinner. I'm thinking probably like Martin's barbecue or something like that. It's like wanted to do like an outfit change for dinner time, and I think this would be like a nice neutral change of pace. Kind of go with the rest of my wardrobe of being neutral, comfortable, but also like street stylish is kind of what I'm going for this trip, and I think this kind of nails it. So yay! For the next outfit, this is gonna be for my birthday. I don't know the exact plan yet, but as of right now, we're gonna wake up and go to 12 South. I wanna go to the Frothy Monkey there and kind of shop around. So I wanna be comfortable. It's also gonna be in like the 40s, so it's gonna be cold. I'm going to be wearing this H&M like furry quarter-length zip vest. This undershirt, I believe, is from Zara like long time ago. As of right now, I have on these white like joggers with my Doc Martens, but truthfully, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. Thought about bringing my lack of color hat kind of to spice up this outfit. I don't know if I'm going to or not. I also have this bucket hat, which is kind of cute. This is kind of a vibe. To wear like kind of a monochromatic vibe. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna wear these joggers, but this would be a cute like morning outfit to like walk around 12 South, go like to the Gulch or something. I also have this brown jacket. This could kind of spice it up a little bit. I just am afraid of bringing so many jackets that I'm not gonna have any room in my suitcase. But this is kind of cute. Okay, I really like this look. Watch if I'm gonna bring all these layers and it's gonna be like 60 degrees and I'm not gonna need it. But this is kind of a vibe. What do we think? I feel like I'm comfortable. I've never had an issue with my Doc Martens rubbing, so I could walk around in them all day. And I feel like I could get some good photos in this. Like I'm not too like bummy looking. Kind of like it. I have no idea if this is what I'm gonna be wearing for going out on my birthday. But when I say I just threw this outfit together, guys, I just threw it together. So I have this dress from Blushmark. It's kind of a mini dress, and then I have these cow print boots. I bought these for my bachelorette, and I'm like, when else am I gonna wear them? Like I need to bring them again. So bringing those with this like beige dress, and then this jacket I made, it's a denim jacket, and I fringed it myself. So this outfit's the only one that's like touristy Nashville, I would say, just because I want to go to this restaurant on Broadway, so I'm like, why the heck not? I don't know if I'm gonna wear this, and honestly, putting all this stuff together, I'm like, okay, I probably need to check in a bag because there's a lot more stuff than I thought that I was gonna need. That's okay, we can just bring a bigger bag. Overall, this is a cute going out outfit for the last night. Well, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed what I'm gonna be wearing to Nashville. We leave in like 10 days, and honestly these outfits may or may not change until then. Haven't decided. I'm trying not to shop because I want to do all my shopping and spending money there. Like I might find some cute clothes to wear for the trip while I'm there, like to go out and whatnot. So it's currently on the back burner. That is just what I have planned. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, definitely hit subscribe down below. Go follow me on Instagram. You can see all the fits there while I'm in Nashville. But I love you all, and I will see you guys later.